Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox Viewmodel. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new baseplate experience. Ensure your Explorer and Properties windows are clearly visible for easy navigation within the workspace. You will need to insert a custom character model into your workspace to begin this exciting project. This model will serve as the foundational element for your new first-person camera perspective. Understanding these foundational steps is crucial for a smooth and efficient setup process. A view model is essentially a distinct character model, rendered exclusively for the player's first-person perspective. It typically consists of parts like arms, weapons, and tools, carefully positioned directly in front of the camera. You will learn to properly parent these components to maintain their correct relative positions at all times. This ensures the view model moves naturally and seamlessly with the player's camera movements. Correct hierarchy and consistent naming conventions are vital for the view model to function as intended, providing an immersive experience for all players. Now, let's delve into the scripting required to animate and position your view model with precision. You will write a local script to continually update the viewmodel's C-frame to perfectly match the player's camera C-frame. This script needs to run on the client, ensuring smooth, responsive movement for each individual player. Consider using lerp functions for incredibly smoother transitions, especially when the camera moves rapidly. This attention to detail will significantly enhance the overall feel and professional polish of your first-person perspective in your game. After meticulously setting up your view model and its associated scripts, thorough testing is absolutely essential. Playtest your experience repeatedly, checking for any clipping issues, incorrect positioning, or animation glitches during movement. Pay close attention to how the view model reacts during various player actions, such as jumping, running, or interacting with objects. Gather feedback from other players if possible, as different perspectives can often reveal unforeseen problems. Continuous refinement will help you achieve a truly polished, immersive first-person experience. Your dedicated hard work will certainly pay off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.